Hello everyone, this is your friend Saqib. So welcome to Hunt Electronics for new session. So today we are going to talk about Arduino interfacing RGB LED module. So there are two types of RGB LED bulbs over there. One is called as anode and another is called as a common cathode over there. So basically, if you observe, this is a four terminal LED bulbs over there. One is named as R, which stands for red, another for a green, and one for blue over there. So this is four terminal over there. Let us see the specification. It works on a voltage from 3 volt to 5 volt over there. Supply current, that is forward current, is up to 20 milliamp. Forward voltage is different for a different current. For the red it is typically 2 volt, for blue it is 3.2, and for green it is 3.2 over there. If we are talking about the wavelet, for red it is 625 nm, or blue it is 520 nm, green it is 467.5 nm, and the operating temperature is basically it is for minus 25 to 85 degree, which is industrial grade over there. So let us see more about RGB. So the RGB is three terminal LED color lamp. It composed of three independent lamp bread, which is red, green and blue. The commonly they are four pins, and the common terminal which can be either worked as an anode or cathode. The combination of these three color can produce a multiple color. So as we can see here, the green and red, if we combine the green and red, it will give the output as yellow color. If we combined a red and blue, it will give the magenta, and if we combined a green and blue, we can get crayon, and if we combine this all, we can get a white color at the output. So this is a typically so we can get a red color, red rose, or magenta, violet, blue, okay, so yellow, green, okay, spring green, so many more over there. Today we are going to make an experiment where we can get this output. So there are typical applications for this. So LEDs are nowadays used as a LED, LCD in the television, LED bulb over there, indoor outdoor lights, automobile, for your vehicles, for indicators, and for headlights or backlight. It is used for decorations over there. There are display matrix over there. So nowadays even you are getting O color LED display and many more. Okay, so let us see how it works. So first, in the first experiment, what we are going to do, we are going to interface this RGB directly to the Arduino board, and we are going to program this Arduino board, which can change this RGB bulb color automatically. So whatever this color you are observing, that is red, green, blue, magenta, yellow, crayon and white, it will be giving the output automatically. And in the second experiment, we are going to see how we can control the RGB bulb and how we can get a different color over there. So you can see the Arduino Uno board over here. We are going to use a 3 potentiometer, and depending upon the input voltage level to the analog 1, A0, A1 and A2, we are going to get the output from a digital output, that is pin number 1911, which is going to control the RGB bulb. So these two experiments today we are going to observe. So let us see the first program over here. Already I have done one program over there. So let us see first how we can automatically provide. So here I have given over here 3 pins, that is pin number 9, 10 and 11 as a red, blue, green over there. I've used a different code for red, then white, for purple, magenta, each and everything. Let us first check whether we can compile it. So going into tool, already I've selected as an right, it is let me connect the Arduino Uno board. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, so I've connected Arduino Uno, which is connected to the COM port. Let us compile and see, verify if there is any code error over in the code? No. So let us yes, so I have uploaded it. Okay, now let us see the practical output of it. So my dear friend, you can see that already you are getting multiple color outputs. You can see blue, green, magenta, white, everything. Okay, now see here, I have taken the Arduino, as shown in the circuit diagram. I have connected the pin number 9, 10 and 11 over here, and the common ground over there. Okay, so here you can see this LED, it is automatically changing the color. So there are two methods. One, we can control it, and another we can change the color through the program. Okay, now let us move to the next activity where we can control it through the external. So friends, in the next experiment we are going to see how we can control this RGB bulb externally. So in this we are using a 3 potentiometer, as I told you, of 22K over there, which is given the input to A node, A1 and A2, and we are taking the output from pin number 9, 10, 11, which is digital output, which is connected to the common cathode LED over there. So let us see first, let us see how we can program this. So already I have kept my program over here. So I have defined here the input pin and output pin. So let us first compile the program. Let us see if we get any error. So no error. So let us upload the program over there. Yes, you can see that the program is successfully uploaded. So here my friends, so you can see here there are 3 potentiometer which is connected to the Arduino at A node, A1 and A2. And the output, so here you can see that pin number A, 9, 10 and 11, it is connected to the RGB over there. Now as I'm going to control the port, according to that you're going to output. So the first port, if I tune it, you can see you're getting the red color over here. Okay, as I'm increasing the potentiometer, I'm getting red. Okay, now I minimize it. Now the second, see, I'm getting a blue over here. Then again I will reduce it. Then third port, you can see that now I'm getting a green color over here. Now as I shown you in the chart, okay, if we so this is red color and somewhat if I add a blue to it, now you can see the purple color over there, right? So this is how exact we can control. So I have increased some part of the potentiometer too. If I reduce it, again you will get a red. See, so this is dark red, then I'm increasing the blue, you will get a purple. Now let us see the combination of red and green. Now if I add a green to it, see, it is becoming yellowish. Okay, so this is how you can control the different colors with externally with the help of port also. So let us see, this is red, so now we'll be giving output as a blue and then green. Okay, you can see this. This is crayon, and if I apply all the 3 colors, okay, you will get a white output. Okay. So my dear friends, already I have added a program link into the description, so you can download the program and you can try this at your end. And please put a comment over in a comment box over there. Please like, share and subscribe.